What if the biggest technology in the world could be explained so simply? Even a 7-year-old gets it.
Oh.
Most AI content is complicated, boring, made for adults only. Kids are being left out of the most important conversation of their generation. That is why Byte exists, a curious little robot with the biggest questions. And Nova, a brilliant glowing brain with
Hello,
all the
everyone.
answers.
I am
Together
so
they make
excited to
AI
be
simple,
here.
fun,
Let's have
and
some
actually
fun.
exciting. Every week, ChatGPT,
Oh, wow.
robots,
A
Netflix
brain.
algorithms, the
That's
future
me.
of your world.
Let's play.
All explained simply.
Off we
all
go.
completely free.
Hello,
Subscribe to Byte
friends.
and Nova. New
Welcome
animated
to our
adventure
world.
every single Wednesday.
Let's learn together.
Hit subscribe now. Byte and Nova are waiting for you.